Grab a cutting board. Place some fresh broccoli on it. Then grab an onion and chop. And chop it up. Peel and devein the shrimp before seasoning and cooking. Shrimp only requires a short cooking time, so it's a great option for a quick and easy weeknight meal. White onions add a nice freshness. Some are stir-fried, and then the dish is garnished with the rest. You can use a diced onion that you cook with the broccoli. If you don't have green onions, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a large skillet over high heat. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add soy sauce mixture and toss with the shrimp, broccoli, and green onions with sprinkle of salt and pepper. Lower the heat to medium-high. Add remaining 1 tablespoon oil. And shrimp. Cook, stirring occasionally until shrimps are pink and cooked through, about 3-4 minutes. Add soy sauce mixture and toss with the shrimp, broccoli, and green onions. Cook until sauce is slightly thickened. 2 minutes. Remove from heat and garnish with reserved scallions. Serve over brown or white rice immediately. Please like and subscribe